Sometimes many of us start a business thinking that we're going to have so much time freedom. I know when I first started my business, I was so frustrated because I couldn't find a job. I went from one temp assignment to another. I had absolutely no job security. So I decided to start a commercial cleaning company, and I went from having no job security to no time freedom. What I did was, I really wanted to start a family. So I then had to put systems in place so that I can run my business from at home and really work on cultivating, great relationships with my family and the people that I love. If that sounds like you and you're the owner of a commercial cleaning company and you're constantly in the field training staff, hiring staff with no time freedom, click the link on our website at www.fluxcommercialcleaningservice.com and schedule a pre-screening call to learn more about our online course.